Do you want to be part of 319 billion US dollar market? Why not, right? The overall healthcare market was 8.45 trillion in 2018 and expected to be double after COVID situation, out of which 319 billion US dollar was just expected in IT healthcare. So, let's talk about the ideas you can implement to be a part of such tremendous industry. I am Parita, your business development partner from Ibixo Technologies. There are several departments in which you can plan healthcare industry. Let's talk about it. First one is hospital management application. It is the perfect or complete solution where you can keep the record of staff, patient account and all other necessary facilities. Another one is electronic health record application. It helps to maintain patient's record from multiple doctors and it provides long-term view of patient's health. Next one is on-demand medicine and service provider application. Don't you think it would be great if you have such app where you can order online medicine as well as ask for service providers help like nurses, physiotherapists, etc. from the same application. Next one is electronic medical report application. It helps to maintain patient's treatment history. Example of such application is Jenny MD Health application and My Medical application. Out of all above, I personally love is the application for virtual consultation of doctor. It is the easiest way to connect patient and doctor, book appointments with subscription and payments. Steady MD is the example of such application. Next one is patient monitoring application. It helps in early detection of symptoms as well as cut hospitalization time and cost. Delivering a perfect patient monitoring app helps to earn up to 10 to 20,000 US dollar per month per physician. Don't you think it would be a good money? We still have more interesting ideas coming up. So, do like, share and subscribe for such awesome videos. Coming back to the list, another one is nutrition application. It helps patient as well as normal user to keep track on food intake, calories and nutrition. Example of such application is MyFitnessPal. Apart from all above, you can also plan medicine reminder application similar to MediSafe Pill, appointment scheduling app and mental well-being application. So, which do you think would be a most profitable healthcare application in your country? Mention in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.